English to Galician. I will be.
Ser.
Future of to be. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your Galician? Let's make the future tense fun and unforgettable. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and drills. Today we conquer the future of to be in Galician with
Ser.
And yes, we'll laugh along the way. Your goal today. You'll nail the full future conjugation of to be and know when to use it. Future of identity and roles uses
Ser.
the forms you'll master. I will be equals.
Serei.
You, sing, will be equals.
Serás.
He will be equals.
Él será.
She will be equals.
Ella será.
It will be equals.
Será.
We will be equals.
Seremos.
You, plural, will be equals.
Vos seredes.
They will be equals.
Será.
Quick tip. For place or temporary state, you'd use a star, but today we stick with
Ser.
mini dialogue. Listen and repeat. You're the star of this scene. You, tomorrow.
Eu serei o teu guía.
Friend, and me?
E serás o gañador.
Coach, for the ceremony.
Él será o capitán.
E.
Ella será a portavoz.
You, the event.
Será.
Inolvidable, unforgettable. Team, Claro.
Seremos.
Lenda. Crowd.
Vos seredes.
Benvidos no escenario. Announcer, ELs.
Será.
As novas estrelas. Culture tip. A tiny phrase with a big vibe from Galicia. Locals love timeless lines like
Galicia foi e será.
Galicia was, is, and will be. Hear that.
Será.
That's the future shining through. Beat drill. Say it with rhythm. Clap or tap along. Repeat after me out loud. I will be.
Serei.
You, sing, will be.
Serás.
He will be.
Él será.
She will be.
Ella será.
It will be.
Será.
We will be.
Seremos.
You, plural, will be.
Vos seredes.
They will be.
Será.
Anchor verb. To be, essence.
Ser.
Funny examples. Smiles make memory stick. Repeat these with confidence. Prediction voice. Tomorrow, you, yes, you.
Serás.
A coffee legend. Me on Monday, I swear, next week.
Serei.
A morning person, maybe. Talent show host, and tonight.
Será.
Epico if the Wi-Fi cooperates. Team promise. Work today, Manya.
Seremos.
Incribbles. Big banner at the stadium.
Vos seredes.
Campions, no pressure. Optimistic aunt. Study a bit and els.
Será.
Medicos antes de que remate a década. Quick quiz. Answer, then I reveal the solution after a short pause. Say in Galician, we will be punctual. Answer.
Seremos puntuais.
Say in Galician, you, plural, will be the winners. Answer.
Vos seredes os gañadores.
Translate, he will be the captain. Answer.
Él será o capitán.
Translate, it will be easy. Answer.
Será doado.
Translate, they will be doctors. Answer.
Serán médicos.
Challenge mode. Create 3 mini lines about your future. Go. Example 1. Career dream.
Serei.
Ingeniero, A. I will be an engineer. Example 2. Team promise.
Seremos.
Mais fortes en junio. We will be stronger in June. Example 3. Shout out to friends.
Eles serán.
Artistas. They will be artists. Bonus. Group welcome.
Vos seredes.
Sempre benvidos. You, plural, will be always welcome. Remember, the core verb here is
Ser.
use it for identity, roles, and traits. Goodbye and next steps. You did great, future you is proud already. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Serei. Serás. Él será. Ela será. Será. Seremos. Vos seredes. Serán.
And the base verb.
Ser.
For more episodes, cheat sheets, and interactive drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.